GoPro just dropped a bombshell with the Hero 13 Black, and it's loaded with next level features. At $400, it's bringing in an interchangeable lens system, a magnetic mounting system, and a long-lasting battery, all designed to take your action shots to new heights. Plus, with its improved battery life, this camera is built to outlast whatever adventure you throw at it. But GoPro wasn't done. They also unveiled a all-new Hero at just $200. While it lacks the bells and whistles of the Black series, GoPro guarantees it still packs a punch with high-quality photos and videos wrapped up in a user-friendly package. So what does this mean for GoPro fans and adventure enthusiasts alike? Let's dive into the details. GoPro has officially unveiled its latest flagship, the Hero 13 Black, alongside a new entry-level option, the Hero. The Hero is GoPro's smallest ever 4K action cam with a front screen designed to deliver simplicity and affordability like a Swiss Army knife for your adventures. Launching on September 22nd, it's GoPro's most accessible model yet, priced at $199. This makes it an ideal choice for beginners or those seeking a no-fuss experience, like a well-oiled machine that doesn't sacrifice quality for convenience. On the other end of the spectrum, the Hero 13 Black is the crown jewel, starting at $399, with the Creator Edition priced at $599. This flagship model is set to make its grand entrance on September 10th. Early reviews are already painting a vivid picture of its cutting-edge features and top-tier performance, promising to dazzle with its advanced capabilities. To complement this flagship marvel, GoPro is rolling out the new HB series lenses. The macro lens mod, priced at $129.99, is designed to break through the close focusing limitations often encountered with action cams, like a magnifying glass revealing hidden details. Meanwhile, the anamorphic lens mod, also $129.99, provides a professional touch by creating de-squeezed cinematic footage, transforming your videos into visually stunning masterpieces. These add-ons are set to catapult the Hero 13 Black's performance into the realm of pro-level excellence. The Hero 13 Black is back and better than ever, keeping its iconic features. An 8:7 aspect ratio sensor with mind-blowing 5.3K video resolution, unbeatable hyper-smooth stabilization, and waterproofing up to 33 feet or 10 meters. But hold on, GoPro isn't just resting on its laurels. So how is GoPro gearing up to fend off the fierce competition from DJI's Osmo Action 4, with whispers of the Osmo Action 5 Pro around the corner, and the impressive Insta360 Ace Pro, which might soon be followed by the Ace Pro 2. The strategy is bold and ambitious. GoPro is not only enhancing its extensive accessory lineup, but also borrowing some pages from its competitors' playbooks. In a groundbreaking move for GoPro, the Hero 13 Black now comes equipped with a game-changing magnetic mounting system. This clever design simplifies how you attach your camera, offering versatility on the go. It pairs effortlessly with the new Contacto on-the-go charging accessory, priced at $79.99, making it easier than ever to keep your camera powered during extended shoots. The Hero 13 Black also introduces a redesigned 1900 MHz battery, delivering impressive shooting times up to 1.5 hours of 5.3K video or around 2.5 hours of full HD 1080p footage. This is like having a turbocharged fuel tank, allowing you to capture more without constantly worrying about running out of juice. And then there's the star of the show, the new lens mods. Thanks to a revamped mount design, these lenses are auto-detected by the Hero 13 Black, adding a layer of convenience. The anamorphic lens, for example, delivers an ultra-wide letterbox view with those iconic lens flares that filmmakers adore, perfect for adding a touch of cinematic magic to your shots. While the previous Max Mod lens from the Hero 12 Black is still compatible with the Hero 13, it won't benefit from the slick new auto detection feature. And just a heads up, the new HB series lenses aren't backwards compatible, so if you're upgrading from an older model, it's time to embrace the future. While the Hero 13 Black doesn't bring a new sensor or higher resolution video, which might be disappointing those dreaming of an 8K GoPro with superior low light capabilities, it's still a major leap forward in cinematic potential. The The Hero 13 Black lets you shoot 5.3K video at an impressive 120 frames per second, enabling 4x slow motion recording, and offers 10-bit color depth along with hybrid log gamma or HLG HDR to ensure richer, more detailed footage with minimized highlight and shadow loss. One of the most exciting updates is the return of GPS, a feature missing from the Hero 12 Black. The Hero 13 Black not only tags your location, but also integrates with the Quick app to add performance stickers to your videos, displaying real-time data such as speed, altitude, and G-force. This open source feature is compatible with third-party media management apps, adding a layer of customization and detail to your footage. While the upgrades might not be groundbreaking, the Hero 13 Black definitely feels more like an enticing option for serious creators compared to its predecessor, the Hero 12 Black. GoPro Hero, the ultimate beginner's action camera? While the Hero 13 Black is solidifying its role as a high-end tool for seasoned filmmakers, there's a broad audience, especially beginners, who are seeking something more straightforward. Enter the Hero, GoPro's smallest and lightest 4K action camera with a screen. Picture it as the compact powerhouse of the GoPro lineup, weighing just 3 ounces or 86 grams and measuring 56.6mm by 47.7mm by 29.4mm. It's about 40% smaller than the Hero 13 Black, making it as portable as a pocket-sized gadget. At just half the price of the Hero 13 Black, the Hero is designed for ease of use. It's like the simple, reliable sidekick who gets the job done without fuss. The Hero features a small sensor but still delivers 4K video at up to 30 frames per second with a dependable 100-minute runtime. It also captures 2.7K video at 60 frames per second and 12MP photos, offering a no-nonsense experience for those who want to dive right into their shooting adventures. Despite its small stature, the Hero doesn't skimp on coverage. With a 165-degree field of view, it's like having an extra-wide lens without the need for additional accessories. This surpasses the Hero 13 Black's 156-degree FOV, allowing you to capture a broader scene effortlessly, as if the camera's eye is wide open to the world around it. What truly sets the Hero apart is its straightforward, user-friendly design. Waterproof up to 16 feet or 5 meters, it's built to handle your adventures with ease. With just 3 shooting modes, video up to 4K, slow-mo 2.7K at 60 frames per second, and photo, the Hero simplifies the process, letting you focus on capturing moments while the camera takes care of the rest. As a no-frills, budget-friendly option, the Hero makes a trade-off by foregoing GoPro's renowned hyper-smooth stabilization. This absence means your action shots might resemble a roller coaster ride when viewed directly on the camera. But don't worry, just like a skilled editor smoothing out the rough edges, the GoPro Quick app can work its magic to iron out those jitters. It's akin to adding a touch of polish to a rough diamond, ensuring your footage looks steady and professional. On the flip side, the Insta360 Go 3S, while also a compact action camera, offers a distinct experience. Think of the Hero as a reliable, no-nonsense workhorse with its built-in screen and straightforward controls, making it perfect for quick and easy shooting. In contrast, the Go 3S is like a high-tech Swiss Army knife. Its modern design means it's smaller and more adaptable without its screen, but it loses its waterproof capabilities when you insert it into the action pod, which is comparable in size to the Hero. If your goal is to get up and running in no time without diving into complex camera settings, and you're looking for something more compact than the Hero 13 Black, then the Hero is shaping up to be a standout choice. It's designed for those who want to dive straight into capturing their adventures with minimal fuss. The Hero's simplicity and portability make it an appealing option for anyone who values ease of use and convenience. And that's a wrap. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is truly pushing the boundaries, from its magnetic mounting to the incredible lens mods and extended battery life. This camera is ready for anything. Whether you're a pro looking for that cinematic edge or just getting started with the all-new Hero, GoPro's got something for everyone. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. Let me know in the comments where you plan to take your GoPro next. And until next time, stay creative, stay adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next one.